everybody, Gina DeLuca here. All right, today we're going to be dipping into the second set of 10 paintings that will be in my online auction, which will be taking place on October 2nd at 6 p.m. Eastern, right here on the YouTube. There's going to be 30 paintings, at least, maybe a couple of additions last minute, and there's going to be some giveaways as well. So do check it out if you can. And the first 10 paintings have already been posted on the YouTube, so if you haven't seen those yet, by all means, go check that out. Satchmo's being rotten. Go check that out, and here comes the next 10 in the batch. All right, here is the first piece from batch 2. This one is called Hot Springs. I absolutely love these colors together. Well, y'all know I like my blue and copper. And again, with the funky copper cells, but this one has the blue outline in the cells, which I thought was super nifty. I love this area here. That is so pretty. And that blue is very sparkly. This piece just looks very soft to me. This was actually a test piece for colors for my bedroom. I'm going to do a big piece in there eventually. But there it is. This is a 16 by 20. And is this gallery wrapped? It is not. And this one is titled Hot Springs. Okay, this one is titled Peace Beach. It is a 10 by 20. You kind of tell the top is darker. It's a bit of a gradient. It has a very 3D effect because of the metallic paints, but it is indeed very smooth. It just looks 3D. The water has the same effect. It just looks so real. I love metallics for this type of painting, doing water. When it's on the wall and you walk by, it looks like real water. And again, this is a 10 by 20 titled Peace Beach. This one is a 16 by 20 titled Ascension. It looked to me like a bunch of souls going up into heaven. And the center has a slight, am I going to be able to get that? I don't know if I'm going to be able to see it. There it is. It's like just slightly gold over top. It's barely noticeable, but when you see it, it's really neat. Very hard to capture that without tons of glare. But also, do you see that face in there? So I thought, yep, I'm gonna have to call this one Ascension. The cells are super cool. These nifty gold ones. But the ones up top look like opals to me. You can kind of see that gold a little bit. I love when the paintings appear to be 3D, where they have depth to it, whether from the metallics creating that effect or just the way the colors blend. Again, this one is called Ascension, and it is a 16 by 20. This one is one of my favorites, and I'm kind of sad to be parting with it. It is called The Key of Life, and it glows. These colors together just did amazing things. I love how the purple cells fade into the berry cells, into the gold. The way those colors intermingle over here. It really just looks like this painting is glowing. Like this area, those purple cells popping up in there. The way these colors play together is just stunning. Got a nearly perfect Fibonacci going there. Super psyched about that. That little area of negative space. I love it. Really, really love this piece. This is, again, a 20 by 20. It is called The Key of Life. This one is also a 20 by 20. It is called Cosmic Candyland. Got a whole rainbow going here. Super cool cells. Great blending, great layering of colors. No mud. I love the blue and that purple. Just a very vibrant painting. Very energetic and fun. I love rainbow pours. The orange and that purple. Look at those cells, so cool. I do enjoy this piece. Again, this one's called Cosmic Candyland, 20 by 20. This one is a 14 by 14, titled Purple Giraffe. These cells reminded me of a giraffe. I believe that's the ivory pearl. And it just has the just prettiest shimmer. Let me see if I can get you a better view on that. This is a very soft piece. Some are bold, some are soft. This is soft. I just love this section. So cool. Again, that is a 14 by 14. And it's called Purple Giraffe. This one is a 16 by 20, titled Bird's Eye View. Love what happened in this piece, again with my blue and copper. Loved the clouds that formed there. Just very soft. And let's take that in closer. You can see the copper mixed in with the blue. Such a beautiful contrast. This is one of my favorites. Just soft and bold simultaneously. Again, this is a 16 by 20, and it's called Bird's Eye View. This is another 16 by 20 called Power Surge. This was one of my abalone power shell attempts. And let me tell you, the sparkle on this one, holy moly. Let's go in close so you can really see it. The blending of these cells here, so cool. And it is not really picking up the full bling on this because it is super bling. And still soft somehow. And that emerald green glowing as it does. Such a beautiful color. So this is, again, 16 by 20, titled Power Surge. Here we have a 14 by 14, titled Dragon Eggs. Some really cool cells going on here. Just the blending, where was it, over here? How it's like gold cells in the green background, and then it starts to shift, and green cells in the yellow background. Nice blend going there. Gradient. My Fibonacci worked out there. This area. The sparkle. And from a distance, these metallic paintings, you know, from a distance, they don't appear to be sparkly. They just kind of have a life to them from across the room. But then as you get in close, it's like, oh, look at that. It sparkles. So again, 14 by 14, titled Dragon Eggs. All right, this one is a 16 by 20. It was one of my first impressionist pieces that I tried to do with all swipes. It is called Pacific Gravity. And I was going for a sunset, but it looks like exploding volcanoes, which I'm not mad about that. That little area there, it looks like the lava is spilling out. So it worked out good. I ain't mad. Not mad at all. This little area here with this deep green, I like that. The camera's not picking up the color that well. But there that is. Pacific Gravity. All right, that is it for this segment of the auction preview. The next video will be up tomorrow for the final 10 and perhaps some bonus pieces. We'll see. We'll see how things go. But that's it. Do check out the description box below for links to a PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined, my website where you can find my art and music for sale, as well as the fluid art inspiration cards. The cards are now available on Amazon as well, and you'll find all my affiliate links in there. If you do your shopping online, why not use an affiliate link, and I will make a small commission at no additional cost to you. And last but not least, you'll find the link to our Facebook group, Go Make Some Art. Join us there, post your masterpieces, ask your questions, get some inspiration, all that good stuff. Just a friendly reminder, the auction will be taking place Saturday, October 2nd at 6 p.m. Eastern. So I do hope that you join me then, and do check out the video previous to this one, prior to this one, for the first batch of 10, and check out the video tomorrow for the next batch of 10. All right, y'all, I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.